Yo guys, it's Ozgun here. Welcome to the channel. So it's gonna be a very quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I like to show you how you can make the 90s pitch lead from Maddix. And I'm gonna show you how to recreate that patch inside of the Serum. And if you're ready, let's start this video. So for the background, I quickly prepared this MIDI and also this drums. Let me play it for you first. So as you see, it's very basic. I just put a kick and bass and some drums from the Techno Academy. If you want to check these sounds, I'm going to put also a link in the description. And also you will find a download link for the patch that I'm creating in this video. So first of all, we will just use two oscillators. First of the oscillator is going to be a sawtooth wave, just like that. And the second one, we will just go to basic shapes and we will put it to the square wavetable. Let's don't forget to activate mono. So when the notes are overlapping, we need to have the mono to prevent the double notes playing at the same time. It's gonna be so much closer if we do that. And then the next thing, the oscillator B needs to be 7 semitone up, which is gonna be like the fifth. If you do that, the second oscillator is gonna play the fifth of the root key, and we will just get the same sound, same vibe with the Maddix. You see, it's already there. We are so close. So let's activate a filter. I'm not gonna use the cutoff, but I like to just give a little bit of drive from here. Sounds good so far. And maybe we can activate some noise as well. Let's go to, I don't know, maybe this. Because this is high pass, it's gonna sound much more pleasant. It's just adding some texture, some grit to the sound. We can also go for chorus. It's gonna sound good as well. Yeah, it doesn't matter now. It's all depending on your taste. And I like to give a little bit of release so the sound can fade out more smoothly. Just a little bit. Yeah, I can leave it around 100 milliseconds. And maybe now we can quickly process the sound with some distortion. Maybe we can go hard clip. Maybe less mix, so we can blend the dry and wet signal. And maybe we can EQ the sound a little bit. Let me lower everything in terms of volume, because we are kind of clipping now. Sounds good so far. And now I like to put delay reverb, so the sound is gonna be so much rich, it's gonna cover much frequencies. Let's go pinpoint. Let's put an EQ like that. And also, if you follow the channel, this is my way to put delay reverb inside of the Serum. I always create a short envelope and connect this as reverse, so it's gonna act like a sidechain delay. Let's do the same for reverb. And let me quickly process it. I already prepared a channel, just some distortion and EQ and slightly sidechain, so it can be blend better in the mix. Yeah guys, now I'm gonna play the final result with the full music. It's a very simple patch to make. I hope you can apply these tricks to your own productions as well. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please don't hesitate to like and comment for supporting the channel. So today that was it guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.